Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. Ever spent too much time formatting one cell and then had to do it all over again for the others? But there's a magic paintbrush in Excel that copies all your formatting in just one click. It's called the Format Painter, and today I'm going to show you how to use it like a pro, step by step. Okay, let's dive in. Here's a beautiful formatted header in cell A1. Bold text, font size 14, green fill color, white font, and centered alignment. Now I want B1 to M1 look exactly the same. Here's how to do it the easy way using Format Painter. Click on the cell that already has the formatting. In this case, A1 is our formatted cell. Go to the Home tab and look for the tiny paintbrush icon. That's the Format Painter. Click it once to apply the formatting to one cell. Your cursor will now look like a brush. Now click on B1. Done. It looks just like A1. Want to apply it to multiple cells? Just double-click the Format Painter icon instead of click it once. Then, click and drag over B1 to D1, or any range you want. All selected cells will instantly match the style of A1. When you're done, press Escape on your keyboard to turn the brush off. Want to copy formatting from one sheet to another? Yep, you can do that too. And that's it. Format Painter is super simple and a huge time saver. If this helped you out, give this video a like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more bite-sized tutorials. Thanks for watching.